Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update for Tuesday 13th of September. Tuesdays are upon us right now. It seems like Tuesdays are going to be a little bit of a good day because, of course, once again, the weekdays are actually a little bit more merciful into the crypto space. All right, so now let's dive into the 4-hour time frame and let's see what Bitcoin is doing right now. And there's a little bit of troublemaker. Bitcoin does love to make trouble. Previously, I did talk about this hidden bullish divergence, which is playing out pretty good right now. So it's still continued a hidden bullish divergence. Even if you come down, it seems like it's still a hidden bullish divergence, and there are chances that Bitcoin does want to move higher. Hiding the RSI, I still believe that, this is your flag here and the technical target of that flag has not been met just yet. So we can still expect some upward movement today and tomorrow potentially, or if he wants to actually retrace down today, tomorrow can actually be an amazing day. So from here to here, you're looking for the price target of nearly $23,710. But there's one more problem. Notice how we did have this bear flag, right? It seems like that technical target of the bear flag is met, but there is going to be this extended line here that I would like to talk about, and that's going to be this one right here. So that's a flag resistance because there were some few support line right here, touches right there, touches right here, okay? And then you move to the downside. When you go up like this, up to 23,769, let's say by 15th of September, today's 13, then you have to keep in mind that this can actually turn into a resistance. What was previously support right there is actually going to turn into a resistance right over here. Okay, so go up like this. It does seem like the target is trying to break it out, but you can end up in a wake up there and get rejected here and slowly start to move to the downside. Okay, so that's something you got to be very, very careful about. This can actually be way more visible if I dive into the daily. Yeah, so here we are. That was the daily flag right there. So this is how the line extends to the upside. Boom. Just like that. Okay, so you're gonna be going up there, meeting that resistance to 23,700. Then you can actually get rejected and start to go down once again. So it's a crucial point at the moment. I do believe it's gonna be a little bit bad. Now the favorable scenario is that it actually smashes through that resistance and continues higher and higher and probably breaks out of this line right here, which is 24,544, and that's going to be a huge double bottom on the weekly, as I told you before. And the technical target, if it does do that somehow, then we're looking for probably from there to there we might be going up to $31,690, which to me, if it does go up here, could actually be a huge indicator and a sign that Bitcoin is actually bottoming out, and by October everything is going to be amazing. I do have trust issues with September, don't get me wrong. A lot of altcoins there still show a lot of drops. Okay, 60% drops are still shown on their charts as well, which tells me Bitcoin still is shady in for some few reasons. But anyway, if it flips, and you never know. The altcoins, anything that is bearish is also going to flip along with Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin right now. Very quick one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.